Truckerized tune today. Truckerized.
Childish in South Carolina. Here is your Truckerized Longhorn by Ranger Superior N6. Childish got it ready to go for you, bud. All our Truckerized mods. And also you added the LED fan, which is going to continue to cool your heat sinks all the time. You're not going to ever have to worry about them getting hot. Has a nice look to it as well, especially at night. We'll start with our power all the way down. Childish, you may decide you want to run a big 24 peel or something one day. If you do, right there you go, a 25 watt carrier. That's low enough that it'll do anything you want to do. Now I'm gonna roll this thing at 12 o'clock, okay? Because I know you're gonna be in a big truck, you may not have a meter. It's a 500 watt slug in a big truck. That's gonna give you a 100 watt carrier, okay? Now personally, that's where I'd run it. 1000 watt slug and peak, hello, 800 watts. Roll it all the way up, 500 watt slug, about 140. Hello, still the same 800. Let me show you bird average real quick. Hello, over 300 bird average. All right, Childish, it's ready to come to you, my friend. Hope you enjoy it and get out there and lay a big old hammer down. Your friend Truck at truckcbsales.com. Bump bump.
Get wise and get truckerized today.